Mwangi.
Thengio muno Mwangi ni riboti yo tukihoke family yo ni kuona kihoto tugithie na mbere thirikari ni iranire kung'ethanira na thina wa kuhatiririo thoko kwa indo iria cithondekagwo ni iganda cia guku bũrũri-inĩ ni indo cia raithi na iria citakinyanirie ikiro. Akiaria hindi ya kurugurio kwa riboti ya ngwataniro ya ene iganda KAM, Minister wa iganda Lee Kenyanjui augite thirikari ni iretha njira ya kuhuthia mitaratara ya ugati wa marua ma uruti wa wira thina uria ukoretwo uri muhinga munene bũrũri-inĩ. Murugamiriri munene wa ngwataniro ino ya ene iganda Tobias Alanda augite riboti ino ni uira wa mathina kihiri maria magumeire iganda na mangiaga kurorwo wonjoria bũrũri-inĩ uguthie uhotomete.
Sector, you realize there is a regulator, and in every regulator there is a cost implied in terms of what the businesses have to pay. But above that, there is what we call duplication of those licenses or duplication of the roles.
And I want to confirm to you today that in terms of commitment to making Kenya, an industry hub for the region and beyond, I think the commitment has never been higher, and we'll continue to work on all these initiatives.
We have also been supporting in the implementation and operationalization of county aggregation and industrial parks, that is CAIPs, special economic zones, and there are also a lot of efforts aimed at the revitalization of key priority value chains in support of the sector.
Now,